is this?
This is a circuit board, Papa. I am going to see what has inside the IC.
What you are doing there?
I am working.
And why are you spinning there and breaking it?
I am not breaking. I already opened the IC and I am going to check inside what's problem inside, because the circuit has burned. The Sony set showing push protection. For this cause, I am opening this IC. Understand?
Yeah.
What do you understand? Can you tell me? Tell me. Now I am going to open the IC. I want to see what has inside.
What's that?
It is the IC.
I see.
Yes.
Why are you cutting with the knife?
I am not cutting. I am going to open.
Open.
Yes.
Let's go cut.
I am not cut, Papa. You just watch. Then you can understand. I am going to open and I am going to check what's problem inside, because it's burned ready, maybe. You know.
Burnt.
Yes, burnt ready.
I think it's little bit burnt.
I don't know. We have to check first. Wait for a while. I am going to open. I am trying to open, because the company use a very strong glue. You know, glue.
Oh.
Yes, very strong glue. For this case, it cannot open. But I am trying. I will open it. Don't worry. I want to check inside.
We have to cut the
IC.
yeah.
No, I cannot cut, because I want to show to people
Why?
how it's burned, what is inside. I am going to check.
What's that?
Which one?
Black.
That's this IC. That called IC, integrated circuit. You know, STIC IC.
The sticker sheet.
Yes. When the audio system showing push protection or push protected or push power, we have to sure that the IC has burned.
Oh.
Understand?
Yeah.
I'm going to open, but I'm trying very tight. You know.
No, you already done it.
Yes, I already done it. But I'm trying.
Really? So,
Look, I'm using a screwdriver.
Daddy, what's coloring this?
Which one?
Color.
Saw.
So, we need to cut that.
No, I cannot use saw here. Because if I cut that, then I cannot see inside. You have to wait for, or sometimes I'm going to open. I already opened ready. Wait. Oh, I think open ready. Look, I'm going to. Oh wow, I already open.
Yeah.
Look what's inside.
That's all same.
What's same?
Yeah, little bit
Little what?
strong, looking structuring.
No, they got transistor. You know, all are transistor. The 4 are big transistor and all small transistor. Look, there has burned. Look, the burn, the wire, the print has burned it, because the transistor has short.
Oh.
That's what has short. For this case, it burned ready. Look, transistor has burned ready. Let's go to check. You know what is this?
No.
It's meter to test. Check. I am going to check the transistor. The first one I am going to check. It's okay. No short. First transistor is not short. Then second, okay, I am going to check another. Yes, no short. Look, first one has no problem. I'm going to that side. That side I'm going to check. Look, this one short. This one got problem. You understand? Do you understand, Papa?
No.
What do you understand? You?
I think.
I think this is meter.
Yeah, you there again.
Yes. you want to do this one? This temperature also short. Only this side is okay. This side is okay, and that side has burned ready. For this case, it's showing push power. Look, these two are okay. These two are okay.
And that too?
The two are okay, but this one showing short. I think is my problem. And it's okay. It's okay. That two is okay, but that another two has short ready.
One cloth.
But we cannot repair this IC.
I need one cloth for opening this.
Cloth.
Yeah.
No. Look here. Don't talk about that. Look. It's nice. Do you want this?
No.
Why no?
It's boys.
It's boys. It's boys. Who said it's boys?
Yes,
It's STK IC has burned ready. We have to change the IC. STK 442130, right?
Yeah.
Can you do it?
Hmm?
Can you do this one?
I can read now.